This would have been so much easier if you and your parents hated each other, but they had to go and love you like crazy.
Yeah, and then I had to go and sue them for it.
That's not what I meant.
Look, I'm not mad or anything. Just tell me if I'm doing the wrong thing by hurting my parents like this.
I believe that my brother's surgery will make you walk again. And when you're out of that chair doing everything you used to do before the accident, your parents will thank you for it.
I hope so, because today, I think things are going to get ugly.
Why? What's going to happen?
It's okay, sweetheart. I know that you'd like to be here. I get that. You have a meeting to go to, and you really should go to it. I know. Okay, I'll see you later. I love you, too. Bye.
Hey, I hope our little videotape didn't upset my brother.
Oh, don't be full of yourself. It was a silly dance-off.
You're a trip, you know that?
So, you're testifying today.
Right. I think I'm first up.
Hey, Taya. Still can't believe Ross is granting you a divorce uncontested.
Yeah, I'm good like that. Which you're going to witness firsthand when I win Matthew the right to have this surgery.
Oh, I wouldn't break out the bubbly just yet. I still have a few tricks up the old sleeve.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Well, between the tricks you have up your sleeve and the tricks I have up my sleeve, it should be a fun day.
This court is now in session. Ms. Delgado, please call your first witness.
Knock it out of the park, bro.
I'd like to call Loretta Hogan to the stand.
Objection, Your Honor. There's no Loretta Hogan on the witness list.
But I notified Mr. Clark's office that Ms. Hogan would be appearing at the same time as I notified the court, Your Honor.
My office received no such notification.
Ms. Delgado.
I am not trying to pull a fast one, Your Honor. Ms. Hogan is an expert witness, and I just tracked her down this morning.
If you need time to prepare for cross-examination, I'll grant a recess.
It's fine.
Proceed, Ms. Delgado. Call Ms. Hogan.
My name's Loretta Hogan.
And what happened to you, Loretta? What caused you to lose the use of your legs?
Training accident when I was 16. I was a gymnast, and yeah, it happened during a morning practice.
What happened exactly?
I was working this one vault, sticking the landing, over-rotated. Before the accident, I had scholarship offers from University of Georgia, Penn State, Stanford.
All big names in the world of gymnastics.
The biggest.
And what happened after the accident?
How could I accept a gymnastics scholarship when I couldn't even walk? And there was no way I could afford those schools if I didn't have a scholarship. I felt like my life was over. All my dreams.
What did you do?
I found Dr. Evans.
And did he perform surgery on you?
Yes.
From the look of things, it must have been a failure.
I wouldn't say that exactly.
What would you say?
I'd say it was a big old success. And I owe it all to Dr. Evans.
You knew about this, didn't you?
Stop this, Elijah. Stop this now.
Objection, Your Honor. Is this a three-ring circus or a courtroom?
I trust that's a rhetorical question,
Okay, Your Honor,
Counselor.
these cheap theatrics have nothing whatsoever to do with my son's case.
Sit down, Mrs. Buchanan. Mr. Clark, please control your client.
Due respect, Your Honor, she's right. Miss Hogan's testimony is irrelevant in the manner in which Ms. Delgado
the
presents.
use of her legs as a result of Dr. Evans' surgery is irrelevant. I don't know what is. Matthew's parents are denying their son this surgery because they're afraid he will be injured further or die. Ms. Hogan is living proof that the Buchanan's fears are unfounded.
You may continue.
Ms. Hogan, how are you now?
Amazing. I was really athletic before, and that made me a really great candidate for this surgery, like Matthew is. I heal fast. Rehab's going great. If I hadn't found Dr. Evans, I'd still be in that chair. Honestly, I can't imagine anyone saying no to this surgery.
No further questions, Your Honor.
Son of a bitch, McBain.
How old are you?
19?
And how old were you when you received the surgery from Dr. Evans?
18?
Not 15.
No, but
No further questions.
you've got to get this done. Dr. Evans
No
is the
further
best.
questions.
You may step down.
I call Dr. Gregory Evans to the stand.
I should have never sold to the mayor's son.
Dr. Evans, how long have you been practicing medicine?
Well, since I finished my surgical residency, 12 years.
12 years. And how many surgeries have you performed? Well, ballpark.
Hundreds.
Your Honor, I'd like to enter into evidence copies of the leading medical journals in the country. Each one contains a laudatory article about Dr. Evans. Many of them cite the operation that he would like to perform on Matthew, an operation that is almost the exact same operation that allowed Ms. Hogan to walk again.
Your Honor, we will stipulate that Dr. Evans is an expert in his field.
Did Matthew's family bring you here to heal their son?
Well, that's the way I understood it, yes.
And they paid you a consulting fee to examine him?
Yes.
Dr. Evans, have you ever lost a patient?
No.
Never, in 12 years.
Never.
No further questions, Your Honor.
Your witness, Mr. Clark.
What's at issue in this case is consent. Dr. Evans, who exactly brought you here? Who paid your fee?
Clem Buchanan.
And is your appearance a surprise to Matthew's parents?
Well, Clem Buchanan recently married Matthew's mother. He was Matthew's stepdad.
Oh, that's true. But that doesn't make him the legal guardian, does it?
Objection. What is the point of this line of questioning?
My point is, my clients were pushed into giving consent to Dr. Evans for him to even evaluate Matthew. They were placed in this position by a well-meaning relative, but they did not choose to have Dr. Evans come and promise Matthew he could walk again just as long as he risks his life.
You may continue, Mr. Clark.